In this series, we'll be solving questions on JAMB and University Tertiary Matriculation Examination past questions from 2000 to 2024. And the topic is change of subject formula. So we'll be solving all the questions on change of subject formula. Solution. This is the formula given, and we are asked to make T, which is this, the subject of the formula. So if M is equal to the square root of SL all over T, N, we are asked to make T the subject of formula. The first thing to do is to square both sides of the equation. If we square both sides of the equation, we'll come here. We'll have it as m squared to be equal to, this is n. So we have n squared square root of SL all over T all squared. So this is what we'll have. So the next thing to do is to open the bracket. If we open the bracket, this becomes n squared. This square root, this square will cancel this square root. So we have just SL all over T, which is also equal to n squared SL all over T. So we have n squared to be equal to n squared SL all over T. Now, the next thing we do is to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have n squared to be equal to n squared SL then T, because T will be multiplying this. So, making T the subject of formula, we'll have T to be equal to n squared SL all over n squared. So this becomes our answer for this question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.